working trot. Alright, we are now in his very comfortable, familiar place. And what that means is that I have my relaxed horse back. Just give me a nice, relaxed working trot, please. Yeah, I know the wind's blowing up sideways, isn't it? That's a boy. Way more relaxed. Way more relaxed, yeah. I was going to take him over by the semis that are working, but he's had enough for today. Let's walk. Yep, we got our horse back. Nope, you walk. Just noticed the rabbit. Back. That was pretty sloppy, but you did come back. Walk on. Yeah, being a good boy. And a big scare, Mom. And yearlings are watching what we're doing. saying, I could do that. I could do that. Hey, well, Jay, you're up, man. A little bit better than I thought, or have better than I thought. We're all shut in the barn because the wind was so bad. I never got out of the house yesterday. There's a white cup flowing under me is nothing compared to those big white dogs. A little bit more. Walk up. Good boy. Now whoa. Now I want you to back. Back. Good boy. It was exactly what I wanted. It was plenty of steps. You coming out, Doodlebug? Perfect. Now, I get to get out. And that whip just slid right down and nearly caught him in the leg. He heard it go snap behind him, didn't move. What a good boy. No, you keep your head straight. Head straight. Good boy. Oh, I know. I pulled on your mouth pretty hard, didn't I? But then again, you pulled on my hands pretty hard. How about that? When I am unhitching, I do all of one side before I undo the other side. Get your head straight. It can be down right now, that's fine, but you keep it straight. That was a lot of muscle power, wasn't it, son? And because these shafts, tugs don't like to slide on the shafts, if I want to get them out, I have to move it clear forward. Whoa, son. Good boy. Always, always, always breeching first. The breeching is still fastened and the horse goes forward. It can hold that just long enough to get a shaft right between their hind legs, into a rectum, through a flank. You gave up on that rabbit pretty quick, Amy. Says that rabbit was awful big and it was moving pretty fast. You stand. Unless you want to go back out again, you stand. Whoa. It's hard on my carts to do that. It's great for my horses to do that. Little man, let's walk up. Walk on. Come on, it's okay. There we go. Good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. I want you to come around. There. They are more relaxed on the cross ties when they are looking out of the barn instead of having things come in behind them. You were a good boy today.